bird was sitting right after these trees, where that truck right here in the middle of the road, the car like passing over it. This little poor bird, it was in the road. I think it's maybe got hit by a car. It's a little bit hurt. He's worried about if I touch the broken wing, this one. Parts. So this one here is good. But this one here, I don't know, it twisted. So it can work fine. Ouch. It's really in pain. The wind twists completely. I put the wind back in the position. It seems it's more calm now. So more moving is going to cause more hurt and more stress. It's broke really bad. It's going to take a weeks or a month for it to get better. I'm not sure if it can fly again.
Completely detached, isn't it?
Yep, the bone is broke from there. Hello everyone, this is a MacBook A1502. Yeah, the customer said the computer has a sound issue. So let me go to
If you're a content creator of any kind, you need to start using Artlist for your videos. I'm Ryan, I'm a filmmaker, host, and creator of...
You can hear how is the sound, it's not clear. So let's check something. Let's play something.
And it really can be the difference maker between someone really enjoying a video or leaving a video and clicking away to something else. Music is tough on YouTube, specifically because a lot of us would probably love to use popular songs from, top 40 artists and Billboard charts. But the problem there is you're going to run into copyright
this speaker
issues.
is
If you
bad.
upload videos with copyrighted songs, number one, you might just lose monetization. The monetization will go to the artist, and so now that money won't be coming to you on your YouTube channel. Number two, it might not be viewable in some regions. If it sees there's a copywritten song on your video, then maybe certain countries can't
We
see it.
have
So
a
that
good
could affect
sound
your
in this
viewership.
speaker.
And number three, the worst thing that could happen
So
is you could get a copyright strike and potentially get, your channel in bad standing, or even have videos deleted or taken down.
Yeah, this speaker is bad.
It's to copyrighted music on YouTube. And so if you're looking for music, the two terms to look for...
Yep, so is this speaker. So I got the 2 replacement speaker. Let's test it first. I'm gonna replace both of them, it's better.
And sometimes they can be great quality, but this fair.
Yeah, sounds good. So let's see the difference between this one. Yep. Yeah, the sound is bad. Is this speaker, not this one, what is causing the... And this is why. You see the speaker? Yep. Yeah, the speaker is bad from here. And that's what is making noise when the speaker moving. Two short screws they go here. And this is all for this video, and see you on next one.